So in this Easil tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a QR code to a design here on Easil. So once you have the Easil app opened up on your device, then go into your design, go to the right hand side of your screen and press on the elements button right here in between video and assets on the right hand side of your screen. Press on elements. Once you're in the Elements tab, if you want to add a QR code, simply go to the last option here, so the bottom left-hand side of the graphic elements page, press on QR code. Now what this does is you can type in whatever you want. So for example, just type in www.youtube.com and then I'll go add to my design just like that. So if you were to go ahead and press on this QR code in this presentation, it'll then redirect you into the address that you typed in or the URL that you typed in to generate the code. In this case, it is going to be to youtube.com. And yeah, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can add a QR code to a design here on Easil. Thanks again for watching and hope this video helps.